Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I am present with the new video of future perfect tense of interrogative negative sentence. Dear student, in previous you have already studied about interrogative sentence of yes no type and WH type. Now this is the interrogative negative sentence of future perfect tense. So dear student, you know well that what is S no type of interrogative negative sentence. S no type of interrogative negative are those sentences that has we answer with yes or no, and there is a not is also in negative sentence. So student, here is formula and rule of active verbs, means the sentence we frame with the help of these rules and formula. Okay student? So, in S no type, first of all, we write will or shall according to subject. Subject के according सबसे पहले will या shall को write करते हैं. Then subject, then have, then not, because it is a negative sentence. And after not, we write verb in third form. Okay student, and after verb in third form we write object and then etc. and plus question mark. Okay student, so this is the formation of sentences of interrogative negative sentence of future perfect tense. Okay student. Now, here is the formula and rule of passive verbs. Means this sentence change into passive verbs. Then what is the rule? So here is the rule. Okay, student. So rule is first of all we write will or shall according to object. Object के according हम लोग will या shall को write करते हैं. Here according to subject, but here will or shall according to object. Object के according write करते हैं. And after object we write have, then not, then been, then verb in third form, then by, then subject in objective form, then etc. and at last question mark. So student, this is the formation of passive verbs of interrogative negative sentence. Okay, now here is some example. When you see the example, these formula and rules become very clear and very easy for you. And first example is, will you have not eaten the food? Okay student, now we frame this sentence into passive verbs. So first of all we write will or shall according to object. Here object is the food. What is we write? Will or shall? Obviously we write will. Okay student? Then first of all we write will, then object. Object क्या है? The food. The food. Then we write have, then it is a negative sentence. not is there. Therefore, we write not, then third form of not, then being, then we write third form of the verb. Third form of the verb is eaten. Therefore, we write eaten. And after eaten, we write by. Then subject. Subject is you. And objective form of you is also you. So, I write you. And at last, question mark. So, student, passive voice is, will the food have not been eaten by you? And at last, question mark. So, student, after this, second example. Second example is, will she have not played the badminton? Okay, student. Now we change this sentence into passive voice. First of all, we see the object of the sentence. So object is the badminton. So what is we use will ourselves. Obviously we use will. Badminton is the singular. Therefore, first of all we write will. Then object is the badminton. The badminton. Will the badminton have not been, and verb in third form to play by, and here is the subject she, and objective form of she is her. And at last, question mark. So student, this is the formula and example of interrogative negative sentence of yes no type. Okay, I hope you understand these formula and rules very clearly, and after that you can also make the sentence of this type, yes no type, and you also transform into passive voice. Okay, thanks. Hello student, welcome back. Now we study about WH type of interrogative negative sentence. Dear student, in previous you have studied about S no type of interrogative, and now this is WH type of interrogative. Means the sentence start with the WH question word like when, what, where, why, etc. So student, WH type of interrogative negative sentence is very easy and very easy to understand. So here is the formula and rule of WH type of interrogative negative sentence of active voice. Means in which we frame the sentence. सेंटेंस को इसी फॉर्मूले, इसी रूल के तहत हम लोग सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करते हैं, यानी बनाते हैं. So student, here first of all we write WH question word. WH question word को सबसे पहले राइट करते हैं, and after that will or shall according to subject. सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग विल या शैल को राइट करते हैं. देन सब्जेक्ट, देन हैव, देन नॉट, then verb in third form, then object, then etc. Plus question mark. So student, this is the formula, and this formula is used to make the sentence. सेंटेंस को बनाने के लिए इस फॉर्मूले का यूज करते हैं. नाउ फॉर्मूला एट ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस. जब सेंटेंस को पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो इस फॉर्मूले का हम लोग यूज करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, हियर इज द फॉर्मूला. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट WH क्वेश्चन वर्ड, then will or shall according to object, object के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग will या shall को राइट करते हैं. then have, then not, then been, then third form of the verb, then while, then subject in objective case, then etc. and at last question mark. So student, this is the formula on which we convert into passive voice. So student, here is the examples that clear this rule. Examples जो है इस rule को clear करेंगे, and when I convert into passive voice, this formula will become very clear and very easy for you also. So first example is, when will you have not finished your project? So student, your project is the object. Okay? First of all, we write when. When is the WH question word. So first of write WH question word. And here, according to object, we write will or shall. So here, your project is the object. So we use will. When will your project, when will your project have not been, and third form of the verb finished by. Here you is the subject and objective form of you is also you, and at last question mark. So passive voice is, when will your project have not been finished by you. Okay student? And after that, here is the second example. Second example is, why will she have not learned the music? So students, here the music is the object. So first of all, we write WH question word, why, and the music is the object. So we use will. Why will the music, and after that have not been. Why will the music have not been? And third form of the verb, learn. So I write learned by. Here, she is the subject and objective form of she is her. So I write her. So passive voice is, why will the music have not been learned by her. And at last, question mark. So student, this is the formula and rules of interrogative negative sentence of future perfect tense. I hope you understand these rules and formula and also examples also, and after that you can also make the sentence, then convert into passive voice. And so student, this is the last tense, future perfect tense, and after that we will study some special sentences and how to convert those sentences into passive voice. Okay, have a nice day. Thanks for watching video.